how to set up a Facebook group for your business. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can set up a Facebook group for your business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply log into your facebook.com if you do not have an account, but I will assume most of you already have Facebook because everybody has Facebook. So you will simply log into your facebook.com and you will simply, land into your own Facebook. So what you have to do is simply go to groups and we will be creating a new group. I will create a group for you so that you will have an idea how to create a professional Facebook group. Why we are going to be using Facebook group today and why I am creating a Facebook group for business. Well, creating a Facebook group allows us to interact with our audience directly, and it is an amazing way to engage your audience. When you create a page on Facebook or a business, right, you are running a small business and you want to promote that business, you want to engage the audience. Creating a page is okay, you have your audience, but how to engage them and how to get insights to your business and engage audience on daily basis, that's why group is used. And we know that we can find anything on Facebook groups, like anything under the sun, there are Facebook groups for that. So why not our business? So that is why we're gonna go ahead and create a business group, business and our promotion. So simply go to groups right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open groups and I will be creating a new group and I will be giving you all of the tips and tricks that you need to know to create a professional business group on Facebook. So I have opened up right here the groups option on Facebook. Go to groups and then we will simply click on create new group. So creating a group will be very similar to a group that we usually create, but there are different things that play an important role when it comes to creating a business group. So the first thing is a group name. Now you might be wondering, okay, we will simply go ahead and add the name of our business. Well, you can do that, but the problem is that then it will be a simple group for your business. You need to create a group for your promotion and a group that is SEO friendly. So go ahead and create a group with a name which is SEO friendly. Go for the keywords. So let's say that I want to create a group for my web designing business. So I can go ahead and write a name. Okay, this name is okay. But what if I go ahead and create a group named with a name Best Marketing Strategies for Web Designing? Okay, this one actually looks more professional and I want to join a group named Best Marketing Strategy for Web Designing. Like, that's interesting, right? So this is what you need to do. You need to attract people to join your group. It is going to be about web designing business, right? And I am going to be the admin and I will actually select the people that can join, right? So I will be sharing posts about my marketing strategies and I will be telling people about my marketing strategies for my web designing, and I will be promoting my business that I have created. I will tell people that, okay, this is the best strategy, okay, and this is the person you should go for, and this is the team that is good, this is the software that you should go for, and this is how I will be promoting my services. Clever, right? So that's what you need to do as well. So in simple words, go for a name which is SEO friendly and that is beneficial for the visitors and users. Don't circle around just your business, but make a group that is actually beneficial for other people. That's why people will join your group. Then we have choose privacy. Then of course it's going to be a private. Why I am going with a private one? Because I want people to be curious and I want to add people myself. I don't want people to just join whenever they want to, and public group is okay, but then they can simply, people come and they watch your post and then they leave. I want them to join and there will be, different rules and regulations that we need to add, and that actually make our group more professional. So the next step is simple, inviting your friends. So if your friends support your business and if you're not low-key hiding your business from them, then you can simply go ahead and invite your friends. If you do not want to, then you can just simply go ahead and leave this option. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this option. So the next step is simply click on create. So once you click on create, after that you will be able to do different settings. So there you go, my group has been created, best marketing strategies for web designing. And this is how you can simply go ahead and create a group. Now this is actually a simple group right now. How to make it very, very professional? There are different things that you need to do. The first thing is that you will have to go ahead and set a few of these settings. So what you have to do is simply go to group settings right here. So in here we have name and description. Simply go to name and description. This is the name. Go ahead and edit the description as well and write a very good description for your group. This is really important. Use keywords and simply go ahead and write a good description. Then we have privacy. This one is a private group. And then we have hide group, about the visibility. Then of course anyone can find this group. Go ahead and select this one. For now I'm gonna keep it hidden because this group is not an official group that I am creating, but you will simply go ahead and click on visible because you want people to follow. Invite with links. So only admins can invite with a link. Don't allow anyone in the group, because what happens is people will simply invite anyone, and that kind of decreases the professionalism, and it's not that a good of an option if you're creating your own business group. You want people to think that they are part of a group where they can do anything, but in reality you're the one, it's your group and you have created a business group for your business. So that's really important. There are different groups where people can do anything and they have full control and it's like a fun group, but this is going to be a business group, and that makes a major difference, and it will actually help you grow your own business. If you want to go ahead and create a group for your friends and for the people where you can simply go ahead and interact with them in that way, then you can go ahead and do that, but this is going to be a very professional group. After that we have manage discussion. This is really important. Go ahead and keep it very, very professional. Add it in the group. Then we have ask for recommendation, files, chief, host a Q&A. So this is really important. You can see right here we can ask for recommendations, we can host events, files, then we can host Q&A, live videos, polls, and then we have sell something. So this is really, really amazing that we can actually go ahead and do anything with our Facebook group, and that is why I wanted to show you that we can actually create a business group and we can promote our business with Facebook groups, because now Facebook has upgraded itself and we get a lot of different features. So if you have a business, you can know a lot more about your business and you will be able to host Q&As, get recommendations, reviews with your Facebook group. Then we have customized group. You can simply go ahead and change the color for your group. Of course, this all depends on you, what you want to go for, and all the settings will be accordingly. So once you're done with the settings, you can also go ahead and go to overview. You can check your group, then add members. Adding members is really important. Go ahead and create a set of rules and regulations, and after that you will have a very professional group of your own, and people will be able to join your group. With the name that you have, you will be able to kind of work on the SEO. Simply go ahead and add an image as well, and then simply run a group for your business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create a business group on Facebook. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.